Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square Product Analytics to craft LinkedIn Business Wins easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate and click on the Analytics tab. Here, you'll see various analytics features. Select Product Analytics from the options available. Next, click on the Activate button. Follow the prompts to enable Product Analytics. Take a moment to configure any necessary settings. Once activated, explore the dashboard to understand the data presented. Focus on key metrics such as sales trends, popular products, and customer insights. Gather insights that can inform your LinkedIn strategy. Identify which products perform best and appeal to your target audience. Create content around these winning products for LinkedIn. Leverage insights to craft compelling and tailored LinkedIn posts. Consider using visuals of your best-selling products for engagement. Monitor your analytics regularly for Stay updated with trends to adjust your LinkedIn strategy as needed. Now you're equipped to use Square Product Analytics for LinkedIn business success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.